Today I'm going to show you how to get tokens in Leonardo AI for free, or more accurately, how Leonardo AI handles credits so you can keep creating without confusion. A lot of people search for tokens, free credits, or daily rewards, but the important thing to know is that Leonardo AI does not give you tokens through tasks, mini games, or watching ads. So if you've been looking for a way to actively earn extra tokens inside the platform, that option is not available. Instead, Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits every day, and those credits are what you use to generate AI images and videos. The best part is, you do not need to redeem them manually. They automatically reset on a daily basis, so your account gets refresh credits without you having to do anything. That means if you run out today, you can simply wait for the reset and continue creating again tomorrow. Now, if you want more than the daily amount, Leonardo AI does offer paid upgrades. You can buy more credits by upgrading your account, which is the official way to get higher usage limits and more generation capacity. So the free method is really about using your daily 150 credits wisely, making the most of the automatic reset, and knowing when an upgrade might be worth it for heavier use. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tool tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.